Hello, today I am unboxing Blossom by Kyungsoo, formerly Dio of EXO. I'm pretty sure he's still in EXO, unclear, but we'll see next EXO comeback. But this is his third mini album, but it's his first under this new company. Okay, and this is Mars version. I think I see the extras right there. Okay. Aw, so handsome. I feel like I skipped a page. Maybe I didn't. This one took me a while to get because it was out of stock everywhere. Outfit change. That must be a poster. He looks wicked tall there. Oh, I love this. The sparkles and everything. The background made it look amazing. I really like this outfit. The glasses are back. Disc. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, so he probably is still in EXO. I'm looking at XOL and still can't remember what it's called. Okay. Why am I having so much trouble? Lovely. Grab the other extras. Okay. Oh, this feels like stickers. Oh, I love it. And a postcard. No. I love it. And a photo card. Oh, I love it. So cute. Alright, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye. Actually, I just picked up the stickers and there's 2 sheets. So, this is the other sheet. Oops. Alright, for real now. Bye.